Create and sell website to local businesses. This video definitely help you a lot. Let's create Zumba and fitness website in minutes without writing a single line of code. In this video, I will show you the exact step-by-step process using Google AI Studio and deploy it on Hostinger. Let's start the video. Open your ChatGPT and give it complete information about your website. Like we are creating Zumba, yoga and fitness website. What section you need, like banner, about the trainer, WhatsApp connect, yoga classes, timing, prices, gallery and more. ChatGPT will generate deep professional prompt based on your requirement. Now your prompt is generated. Now copy the prompt and open Google AI Studio. Then left side click on build. Then paste your prompt here. No need to change any setting. Google AI Studio will take few minutes to analyze and generate your website. Google AI Studio add on one more features from now. It will show you different design pattern for your website. You can choose any style, whatever you find better for you. It will take few more minutes to generate your website. Now see, your website is ready. I think it has generated all the options whatever we require. I think theme is looking more energetic, it matching the fitness vibe. See, trainer section is here, weekly routine, gallery, almost every section is here. I think slider section is not working properly. Let's give some instruction to correct it and also change the price to INR.
If you are still watching, please like the video and subscribe the channel.
Now the final step is to publish the website. Click on settings, then click on GitHub. Then create a new repository here. It will sync all your website files, then submit all the changes. Now your code is now saved at GitHub. Now finally, open your Hostinger account. If you don't have Hostinger account, I have mentioned the link in description box. Sign up through the link and you will definitely get a good discount. You have already an account, then skip this step. Then log in into your Hostinger account. Then go to website. Then click on all website. Then add website. Now select the node.js. Now click Connect to GitHub. It will detect the repository you just created. Scroll down and select it and continue. Choose white option here. One more thing we need here, Google API key. We need Google API key. Once again open Google AI Studio in a new tab. Then click on Get API key. Then create your project. Then give a name of API key. Now your API key has been generated. Copy the API key. And you know why this API key we need? Website use Google AI features in background. This key allow your live website to connect Google services. Now go back to Hostinger and add the API key. After add the API key, your deployment will start. Now your website is live. I think there is some issue. Banner image is not looking properly. Trainer image is missing. Horizontal scroll bar is visible here. Let's fix the issue. Now go back again Google AI Studio and mention the issue here. Then enter. It will take few seconds. Now again, go to settings, then click on GitHub, then again submit all the changes. Now go back to Hostinger account, click on deployment, then settings and deployment, then click save and redeploy. See, everything is working perfectly. This is a complete process. Prompt to fully live website, no coding required. I have tried to cover everything in this video. I hope you find something interesting in this video. Please support my channel. Your like and subscribe motivate me. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for more important updates about digital marketing and all. Thank you.